3D printers. They're changing the way we make everything. Car parts, jewelry, and most importantly, dildos. Which has changed my life because I no longer have to suffer the shame of shopping in person for car parts. But America being America, it was only a matter of time before people started 3D printing guns. And today was meant to be the day that it became legal to publish gun blueprints online, until a party-pooping judge got involved.
Today, a federal judge in Seattle blocked the uploading of any more blueprints for using 3D printers to make guns. And the founder of a pro-gun group agreed to stop posting any new blueprints online until September while a multi-state lawsuit makes its way through the courts. It may be too late.
Over 1,000 people had already downloaded these blueprints online. I can imagine that number's even higher than that, and I'm sure they're getting passed around.
Look, I know that 3D printed gun works and can kill a person, but goddamn, that thing is stupid looking. Like, I would be so embarrassed if I was killed by something that looked that dumb. Like, when I got to heaven, I just have to lie about what happened. They'd be like, how did you die, man? I'll be like, oh, who, me? I drowned in a porta potty at Coachella. Be like, oh, well, at least you didn't get killed by one of those dumbass plastic guns. I'll be like, yeah, that would be pathetic. But it turns out, these guns looking stupid isn't the only downside.
From handguns to semi-automatics. Made of plastic and without a serial number, the guns are untraceable and undetectable, able to pass through most metal detectors.
These ghost guns are the new wave of American gun violence.
The idea of these print-on-command ghost guns is every bit as scary as it sounds.
Yeah, you're damn right. Ghost guns sounds scary. You put ghost in front of anything, it immediately puts you on edge. Pencil? Ghost pencil. Whoa! Yeah, at the time, Ghost Dad didn't seem so scary, but now, huh? Yeah. Bill Cosby with the ability to walk through walls, terrifying. Not responding to a text doesn't sound so bad, but ghosting? Now that's some scary shit. Oh, and by the way, Amy, I see you posting new Instagram stories every day, which is really weird for someone who said she's in a coma. Although if you are in a coma, hit me up when you get out. No hard feelings. I love you. Now, obviously, Democrats have always been anti-gun and anti-ghost. But you may be surprised to learn that even President Trump has doubts about 3D guns.
President Trump tweeting just moments ago, I am looking into 3D plastic guns being sold to the public. Already spoke to the NRA. Doesn't seem to make much sense.
Now, yes, most things don't make sense to Donald Trump, like tailoring or the word no. But in this case, President Trump is right. It doesn't make sense. Unfortunately, though, gun laws that don't make sense is pretty much what America does. So there's a good chance that these homemade guns are here to stay. And so I guess we may as well look at the bright side of 3D printed guns, right? I mean, like, 3D printers are crazy slow. So even though everyone can print a gun, at least now you have a waiting period? Yeah, maybe? And I mean, I know there's still the problem of plastic guns getting past airport security, but if Congress can't block printed guns, maybe they can pass a law that says all printed guns have to be shaped like dildos. Yeah, because if you've ever flown, you know it's the one thing the TSA always manages to find. Always. That lady's laughing way too loud. If you have a dildo in your bag, they will find it. The TSA are like truffle pigs for sex toys. Look, what I'm saying is we already live in a world where everybody can have a gun, but the least we can do is live in a world where people are embarrassed to be caught with one.